Have you ever wondered how to make conversations flow easily and have people truly remember what you say? In under 30 seconds, Kamala Harris gives the best speaking advice. Now, you may love her or you may hate her, but this is not about politics. Today, I really just want to show you examples of this simple yet powerful trick from Kamala, but also Michele Obama, a natural and gifted communicator. We can learn from them, we can apply it, and we can leave a lasting impact in any conversation. Before we dive into the details, let's hear it from Kamala. She's answering the question, how do you become a good speaker?
Okay, so when you're standing up to speak, remember that it's not about you. So if you are on the Titanic, right, and you're on the Titanic, and you know the ship is about to sink, and you're the only one who knows, are you going to worry about how you look and how you sound? No, because the thing that's most important is that everyone knows what you know, because they need to know what you know.
So what's the trick here? I like to use WIIFT. What's in it for them? It's all about focusing less on yourself and more on the audience. But how do you do that if you're asked a question about yourself or being interviewed and you need to tell your own story? I never really understood it until I started watching countless hours of great speakers doing this and then testing it myself. And this simple shift is so powerful.
Who fights for you?
When you shift the conversation away from I and make it all about you will engage the audience at a deeper level.
With your right to then elect the people in the United States Congress who will fight and protect your freedom and let you make the decision that's best for you and your family.
Instead of using phrases like me, my, myself, I think, my experience, for me, you shift to you, yourself. And this shift is so powerful because people naturally care about how things affect them. Now watch Michele Obama, who in my opinion excels at this.
If you work and scrape and sacrifice, it will pay off. If not for you, then maybe for your children or your grandchildren.
When she talks, it feels more personal, warm, genuine, like she's really talking to us, don't you think? Can you comment below what you think? I'm curious. Here's another example of Michele genuinely connecting with her audience. And if you like this video so far, can you hit the like and the subscribe? I really appreciate it.
And you practice it, you get better at it. And what's on the other side, if you do it well, you do it right, is opportunity.
Michele actually takes it a step further, using the 3 points of view, and I'll get back to that in a moment. When you focus on the audience or on the other person in your conversation, and you make it all about them, it naturally draws them in and it makes them feel valued. And when people feel valued, they listen.
Pick somebody you respect and like. With that, they are going to be, and you are going to be deeply, deeply flawed. You're going to make a whole lot of mistakes.
So how can you start using this today? Well, next time you're in a conversation with a friend or a colleague, or you're giving a presentation, pay attention to how often you use I versus you. Try flipping the script, make it about them, and notice the impact you're making. And once you're applying this technique, you can take it one step further and use the 3 points of view. It's very easy to apply in any conversation or even in a larger crowd too. And you will leave a lasting impression. Just watch this next video and I'll see you there.